So Shiba Inu has been absolutely pumping lately, up 163% in 3 days, all from a post from Elon. Elon Musk got a new dog, and it looks like Shiba Inu dog. So where could Shiba Inu go? I mean, it could go anywhere. It can go up. It can go come down just as fast if people decide to sell. So always be very, very careful when you're trading Shiba Inu. But we're gonna look at the chart, see where it can go, where it can pull back to, and a potential entry point. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the charts. Shiba has been absolutely pumping since the past green day. We're up 217% with the high being at 260% in the green. With increasing volume on the daily chart, I do like to see that. We have some supply right at that 0024 level where we had some wicks converging, and we did see that respectively on the price action. Now, we do have some other resistance levels at 00027 and then 0003, but let's go ahead and jump to a shorter time frame to really see what's going on. We have higher volume on this wick that made a new high and got immediately dumped by sellers. People are trying to get out at that price level. That is, to me, telling me that we're going to have a bigger pullback than these past two pullbacks. And usually when you're in an uptrend, we have one pullback, two pullback, and then on the third pullback, it usually takes more of the profits back than the previous two because buyers are now losing steam. For Shiba Inu to continue to pump, I would like to stay above that 0002 level, right above this previous high and this previous low. If we do break that, we actually have room down to 00016. And I would not be surprised if we did come back there, maybe pump back up to 00012 or 0002 for a head and shoulders pattern. This is a bearish pattern with room lower, maybe back down to these lows. Again, that's only if once we see new data pop in. I'm just giving you guys an explanation of what could possibly happen, what are the scenarios. But let's go ahead and see if we're respecting the fib levels. From this low to the high, we pulled back right into that 61.8 zone. And then what if we use our trend-based Fibonacci levels? Right from this low to the high, we pulled up right to that 61.8. So it has been respecting Fibonacci levels. So, whoops, did not mean to move that. But let's go ahead and see what happens if we use this as our low. Now, we pulled back right to that 50% level. So what we do want to see is Shiba Inu coming up to that 60% level or 50% level. And that gives us a target of 0003. So, and from the price it is right now, that is a potential 30% gain. Now, that is absolutely crazy, but do I think that's worth the risk of Shiba Inu? No, because this can move extremely fast. Now, let's go ahead and jump to an hourly chart so we can get a more in-depth view. Again, we're breaking over those and just get immediately bought with sellers as soon as we break over that 00024 level. What I do like about this chart is that we don't have extremely high volume with really high wicks. I mean, these wicks aren't super high. It's still an indication that, okay, this might be a selling climax and might look lower. But since these wicks aren't super high, that's not totally confirmed. And I am thinking that we are going to break this level of 00002 just because of how the price actions work. And we have a double top that did make a new high. So it is better than a double top where the second high is actually lower to where it's more bearish. But I don't like how every time we get up to this level, we usually have an increase in volume and sellers start to take control. Now on the weekly chart, Shiba Inu just doesn't look good. I don't know if it just came out then or if TradingView just picked this crypto up. I don't have any past data, so I can't really look at anything. I think we did pump, and then this is kind of the ending of the pump. But so I can't really see too many levels of key levels, but again, the key levels are going to be when we looked in at the daily chart and that kind of zoomed in and give us more of an outlook. And ideally, if we have really high volume on this weekly, we have 4 days left. I would like to close without a long wick. If this candle can stay above this 0002 level, then I do think we are going to see some bullish momentum from Shiba Inu in the next few days. Again, if we don't break this level from the previous high, again, this is around, a 10% pullback from Shiba Inu. And again, that is at 0002. I think I'm going to cover it there. Shiba Inu, there's not much to cover, not much data to cover, not much fundamentals to cover, just tokenomics. Basically, when you sell, it takes a fee, and then that fee gets burned. So Be safe out there. Always have a trade plan and don't get caught to the move. The downside, if it can move up this fast, it can definitely dump just as fast. I'm not invested in Shiba or SafeMoon or Dogecoin, but anybody who's watching this video, I hope it goes up to 1 penny for you guys. Do I see it happening? Absolutely not. But we'll see how it is. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing. It helps with the channel. I post crypto updates on Monday, a lesson on Wednesday. This week's a little weird. I was off schedule. And then on Friday, I post stocks that I watch for the next week. So if you want to stay up to date on all those things, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you did find value from this video, and go ahead and hit that like button down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.